Got our 2015 Lexus RX-350 here. We're going to change out this cabin air filter today. So got to get this tray out of the way. You can simply pull up and out, get that moved. And then this is your access here. And kind of pull it up and then out. Get that out of the way. And you just got little catch tabs on either side of that door to open this up. That exposes our filter. Go ahead, move that bad boy. Reinstall the new one. Airflow is going to face down, or like the filter that was in it. It says orientation up, so just go by whether the filter says up, or if you have airflow direction, it will be facing down. Go ahead and put your cover back on. Just get it in place. Click, click. So you can put your access door back on now. Just get it in place, and it'll slide down. There's that. Line up your little tray here on the right side with that tab, and then down on the left side. And that's it. Close it up and you're all set.